In today's vlog, we will visit Al Baik, stand in a queue and get stopped for making a video.
Don't mind, please, but the video is not allowed.
Alright. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button right now. तो हम लोग अब चलेंगे और देखेंगे अल बेक रेस्टोरेंट को. At last, after a long wait, Al Baik, a famous Saudi fast food chain, have recently opened up their branch on the event of National Day in Bahrain. We have arrived to this place near Sultan Mall in Zaid town. बहुत rush है and it's hyped up, man. So let's see how this place actually is. Is it really worth the hype, guys? So guys, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं and we have parked really far away from the place. And as you can see, location है but don't आप ये नहीं सोचिए कि भीड़ नहीं है, भीड़ है. It's so many people there. Crowd management here, although बहुत traffic है और rush है. It is proper traffic management going on here. किधर लाइन में लगना है भाई? इधर लगते इधर इसके पीछे आ जाए.
इसके पीछे पड़ा
So guys, हम लोग लाइन में लग गए. Let's see, let's wait for our turn. Stay tuned. Here. लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है. Let's see कितना टाइम लगेगा. Just imagine if you put a Batman sticker there and you will have Gotham City. ऑर्डर करेंगे, क्या करेंगे यार? जो शो में
चिकन नगेट्स रेगुलर है, स्पाइसी और कुछ भी नहीं है. स्टार्टिंग में हुई है. पेप्सी और पेप्सी चाहिए आपको?
एक काम करो, 5 का है.
5 का नहीं है भाई,
10 है, मिनिमम 10 है.
हाँ मिनिमम 10.
ओके, तो फिर एक मील कर दो.
एक वाहिद बस. वाहिद डिलीट. ला
जायज़. फुल ओपनिंग कब से?
लेकिन 3 हफ्ते से हो जाएगा. फिक्स नहीं किया
अभी. एवरी डे देयर इज स्पाइसी चिकन.
थोड़ा दिन ऐसे चलेगा स्टार्टिंग.
So week,
2 वीक है.
after they only chicken nuggets. After 2 weeks, maybe all. Shukran.
Mashkoor.
See you.
So guys, we have placed our order. We can just order spicy chicken nuggets. We can just order spicy chicken nuggets, a meal. That's it for next 2 weeks. So let's see how it is. आप इसका ये दिखा दो. So I'll show you guys how busy this place is.
Don't mind, please, but the video is not allowed.
All right. No problem. Thank you.
Bring the gap.
तो आप लोग ने देखा कितना बिजी है ये प्लेस. So we just got our chicken nugget meal और हम we are heading towards our home. Let's see how it is. यहाँ पे बाहर ही बैठ के खा लेंगे. So I'm not sure what to do. But this place was hell busy. And the guys, I swear man, staff is working efficiently. It's amazing, Zabardast service. We just placed the order and within 2 minutes we got our meal. So Let's see how it is. So guys, with the meal we have got a bun, right, and we have our chicken nuggets, spicy nuggets and fries, and I've got a garlic sauce, yeah, and ketchup. And the ketchup, which is basically a nugget sauce. Sorry, they've given a nugget sauce. There you go. So I'm going to open up both the sauces. So here you go, guys. I'm opening up the garlic sauce. Yeah. Oh, this is really delicious. This is good. And their nugget sauce, which is actually ketchup. So I'm going to try. The nuggets were pre-cooked, so actually got a bit soggy. But let me dip it in the garlic sauce. Alright, so I've dipped it in the garlic sauce and I'm going to take a bite of it. Bismillah bil afiyah, Bismillah bil afiyah. You can see the chicken is really well marinated. You have the juice coming inside. Yeah. So I just dipped it in the garlic sauce once again. The garlic sauce is amazing, guys. Really love it. Coming to the nugget sauce, which basically is ketchup. It's sweet. Not a big fan of the nugget sauce, but the garlic sauce is really nice. Guys, I've just tried their bun. It's so soft and flavorful. Smells fresh. Little sweet, but it goes really well with the spicy chicken nuggets. Ekdam zabardast. So yes, they have done a soft opening, so it's just a single meal, which is spicy and regular chicken nuggets. But after 2 weeks, they said they're going to launch their complete menu. So let's wait for 2 weeks and we'll be back here again and give you a complete update of their menu. So I'm thinking, should we buy all of their menu products and give a review, or just one? So just let's see. Anyways, guys, let us know. DM us, or I don't know, text us. DM us, that's better. So DM us and let us know whether you want us to buy complete menu of Al Baik and eat it at the same time. Take care, enjoy your evening, and happy Nationals Day.